wishes he was famous, spends his time alone in the basement with a Lennon and Cobain and a guitar and a stereo. And while he wishes he could escape this, but it all seems so contagious, not to be yourself and faceless in a song that has no soul. I remember feeling low, and I remember losing hope, and I remember all the feelings and the day they stopped. We are all innocent. We are all innocent. We are all innocent. We are all innocent. We are. Oh, Gina's losing faith in what she knows. It's a beautiful